Hey, bonjour, j'espère que tu vas bien. Bienvenue. Ça, c'est la leçon pour PA, le passé composé et le imparfait. C'est très difficile, mais j'espère que vous pouvez vous comprendre. Très utile de savoir. Yeah, okay. You've already seen some uses of the passé composé versus the imparfait for talking about actions and events in the past. Here are some other contexts in which the choice of tense is important. The passé composé and the imparfait are often used together to narrate a story or describe an incident. The imparfait provides the background description, such as time, weather, and location. The passé composé highlights specific events in the story. Look at our chart here. Passé composé, main facts, bam. Specific completed actions, actions that advance the plot. It happened, it verbed, you verbed, we all verbed. Imparfait, though, is more to describe just what was going on, the background of the story, personality traits, clothing, feelings, state of mind. I was bored, it was raining. Background setting, what was going on? What were people doing? They were reading, everybody was kung fu fighting, whatever happened, yes. All right, the passé composé, let's see. Il était, check out this one. Il était minuit et le temps était orageux. Now I'm going to read this paragraph. The first four verbs are in the imparfait. You're going to wave your hand because it's ongoing description. And the next three verbs are all passé composé, so you're going to clap. Here we go. Il était minuit et le temps était orageux. J'avais peur parce que j'étais seule dans la maison. Soudain, quelqu'un a frappé à la porte. J'ai regardé par la fenêtre et j'ai vu un vieil homme habillé en noir. When the passé composé and imparfait occur in the same sentence, the action in the passé composé often interrupts the ongoing action of the imparfait. Je chantais quand mon ami est arrivé. Céline et Maxime dormaient quand le téléphone a sonné. So they were sleeping when, bam, the phone ringed. Phone rang. Sometimes the use of the passé composé and the imparfait in the same sentence expresses a cause and effect, like j'avais faim, alors j'ai mangé un sandwich. Elle est partie parce qu'elle était fatiguée. Expressions that signal a past tense use pendant que to indicate that one action was completed while another was still happening. Mes parents sont arrivés pendant que nous répétions dans le sous-sol. So clap on the first one. Mes parents sont arrivés pendant que nous répétions, wave your hand, dans le sous-sol. So you got both in the same sentence. Certain adverbs often indicate a particular past tense. You can look for adverbs like soudain. These are passé composé ones. Soudain, tout d'un coup, une fois, deux fois, un jour, suddenly, all of a sudden. Versus the imparfait is d'habitude, parfois, souvent, toujours, tous les jours. And the verb vivre, check it out. When talking about the past or narrating a story, you might use the verb vivre, which is irregular. Je vis, tu vis, il vit, nous vivons, vous vivez, ils vivent. Like the children live with their grandparents. Les enfants vivent avec leurs grands-parents. Je vis à Paris. Just random verb thrown in there. The past participle of vivre is vécu. Oh, it's not random. The imparfait is formed like that of other RE verbs by dropping the ONS from the new form and adding the imperfect endings. Rémi a vécu à Nice pendant 2 ans. Nous vivions avec mon oncle. All right, maintenant à vous. Pause this for a minute and try to figure out your answers, then we'll go over them. All right. Numéro 1, Lise étudiait toujours avec ses amis, because it's always, so it was imparfait. Good job. 2, Anne. Oui, Anne lisait quand le téléphone a sonné. She was reading when the phone rang. 3, les garçons avaient soif. They were thirsty. Alors, so what do? They drank. Ils ont bu. D'habitude, parfait. D'habitude, ils Arrivé, toujours en retard, because usually over and over. Tout à coup, all of a sudden. Did you just clap? Le professeur est entré dans la classe. And autrefois, plusieurs générations. So, like, just in the past, many generations, what did they do? They lived in the same house. Do you think that's like, bam, they lived, or they were living, like describing them? Just vivez dans la même maison. All right, bonne chance. Good luck in your activities.